All right, traders, looks like we're headed a little bit lower here. I'm still in my VS trade for the Future Z minis. Let's see where the market wants to go. We have a triple bottom here, so we need the bulls to basically reverse this candle. It's a 1 minute candle. It's pretty long. Or sorry, this is a 5 minute candle, but yeah. If we can get to the 43.50 area, we'll be in good shape to basically take it higher. At least attest to the pivot area, which is basically stack of resistance at the 43.56 area. Let's see if we can get a move higher. We are down 90 points. Let's hope that this is as low as it gets. Let's hope we get a quick move to 43.50 right now. Basically having the bulls trap the bears and we go much higher. Just had my computer crash and I had to reboot and start recording from here. It's okay. Let's see if we can get a move to 43.50. We get up there, we basically have to take this pivot out. Bulls are pushing it back to the bear. In the money trade coming up. The bulls really got to break out of 43.51 for this to be a rally to the upside. Currently sitting in $620 in profit and basically $500 in potential loss, which is about break even. I am hoping for a move much higher for the markets to go up to 43.71. That would be about 20 points from where we are right now, and giving me that extra 10-point run would be great so I can cash out. So let's see if the bulls basically try to get back up to this level here. We're having some struggling getting above 43.51. I guess we'll have to pretty much clear 43.50, yeah, 51.50. So that is right about there. Let's see how the bulls react once they get to this level, if they are going to get stalled or it's just going to be a breakout rally with a lot of volume. I said I wasn't going to trade today, but yeah, I just saw a move and we are extremely oversold. So I'm actually looking for a reversal here. I don't think the markets are going to go much lower than where they are right now, so we'll see. There we go. We're getting a little bit of volume coming in. Looking for a breakout from 43.51.50, which is right there. If we break out of here, we're going to 57. All right, this is a make or break. Buyers are coming in, supporting the move. We need more volume coming in on the buy side, basically. Dang. There we go. I sold 10. Sellers are trying to bring it down to 43.51. There we go. $31 more shares. Last 10. I think we're gonna go all the way up to 43.70. And I'm gonna call it a day right there. Got 7 shares on, 6. Oh, taken out. I am out of the market with a profit of $1,479. It has been a good day. Started off with 100. I doubled it to, well, I actually almost went from around 170 something like that to 500. And yeah, I had a jump to $1,479. It has been a phenomenal trading day. Let's basically just watch the market to see if we get back up to the 43.71. I will not be trading. I will call myself fortunate here, and yeah, I'll take the win. Like the market is basically trading under the resistance area of 43.56, which is just right here. At this point, trading for fun, basically with a few single contracts, not too much pressure. If we go all the way down here, I will basically exit the trade and call it a day. But I think we're going to move higher. Let's see if we can get one more push up higher and have a test for a breakout. Last contract still on. Looking to exit. Two contracts. Still haven't attempted to basically break out of the 43.57. Let's see what happens. Bears are taking that lower. I think I will buy in at 43.51. We take a look at the daily for the ES Micro. And basically, we came very close to this open. The low for this candle here is at 43.21, but I have a feeling that we are already extremely overextended, and there has to be a recall in the market to go higher. Hoping to get a fill here. If not, that's great. Oh, there we go. I got my fill. 3 contracts are on. And we're looking for a retest. Let's see if we get that. My break even is right here on this trade. We can scale out a bit and reduce our exposure. Again, this is only 3 contracts, so it's not a big deal, relatively speaking. Magic number 43.55. I haven't got the fill on my first contract. One contract off the table. We got two more left. So what I will do is accept one of them over here, just underneath the 43, 57, 50, and see if I can get a breakout runner. Dropping down to the 1 minute. Let's see what's happening. Got this trend line here. And we can kind of imagine that this is the channel that we're trading in. So we could be headed to 43.60 pretty soon. Getting out much earlier is the smart thing to do as a profitable trader. You want to be taking profits on the way up. We've got some channel support here, so I am adding to my position. 43.55 looks like a good target. We have this upper channel penetration of the filter channel, so I'm looking for a resumption move higher. We've got one more off the table, two more contracts left. And I am gonna get ready to exit right here. We are just teasing that resistance area at the top of 43.56, 95, basically 43.57. Gone back down to the channel. Bears have basically pushed through the channel support there. Let's take profits right there. Actually gonna exit right here. 43.55 is an even number, and sometimes the market likes to put up a lot of resistance. action is slowing down right now, so we may head a little bit lower. We're basically below this trend line now, so we've turned bearish. The 5 minute here, it looks like we are getting a bear flag here. If we can get the support and pop it higher. Five-minute candles, we've got 1, 2, 3 candle. This one looks like it's overextended. See if the bulls can bring it back in line. Otherwise, we're heading for a bigger dip trip. Seems like we don't got the support coming in. This bull flag looks like it's in jeopardy. We've got 3 more minutes. If they can close the candle back up to here, then we're in good shape. If not, we're going lower. We're coming back into the channel, so if this candle closes inside this channel, we are good. The bull flag is still intact for a breakout rally higher. High of this candle is 43.51. The bulls have to flip this candle green. That would be a signal that we still got some upside moves. This is the key critical resistance area right now for the bulls. I'm not going to take a loss on that. All right, we're right at the edge. We need the bulls to basically take this to 43, 52, and 50, which would bring us right here. So let's see if we can actually get that move higher. I'm gonna make one more purchase here. We've got a slow slide much lower. This is as low as we want to get. The bears are trying to take control of this move. We are at a critical support area right now. Right at the pivot of this bottom candle bottom. So we'll see. I still think we've got this bull flag in the works here. Waiting for this candle to turn green. We've got just under 3 minutes for this candle to complete. Let's see if the bulls can trap the bears. There's really a critical area here of support. Let's see if this candle can turn green in the next minute. Got just about 30 seconds left before this candle forms. We need a wick higher. Getting some buying support coming in now. There we go. New candle. Let's see if we're gonna get a move higher now. We need to get back into this channel. We're still below it, so things are bearish. Pivot high for this candle is 43.49. It looks like we've got a violation of this bull flank here. The bears are in control. Now we're going for basically a triple, quadruple. Got 1, 2, 3, 4 times that the bears have tried to take it below this level. Let's see if the bulls can step in and basically reject the sellers and put in a bottom. If this is the all-time bottom, we can see that the market's reversing from here and going higher, at least up to 43.70. The buyers basically have to support the markets here. I've added to my position. Got the contracts on right now. Looking for a reversal off the bottom. Okay. 2 more to my contract, and we are looking for a move up to 43.4750, which will just take us to the high of this pivot. And then we're looking to get back into this channel here and resume our move up higher. That is the trade plan. The sellers want to basically break support right here and possibly take it lower here. I'm thinking this is a major support area, and we'll probably get a bounce up before market goes any lower. This is the first bounce higher. See if the bulls can take control. At least get me to 43.75. I've got 15 contracts on right now. I've tried to reduce my average in level here. Let's see where this trade takes me to. Probably going to be a slow grind higher. See if we can get a breakout from this pivot high here, which is 43, 43.75. So we can get it pushed to the upper channel here at 43, 46.30. And that would be great. So what I think I'm going to do is take my profits there. Looks like the sellers are not done yet. Volatility in the move up higher. Things are getting volatile here. I'm hoping for some volatility on the upside. See if we can get to 43.45. I may actually cash out at break even. I've been in this trade a little bit longer than I wanted to. I was hoping for a move much higher, much earlier. All right, we're getting some selling pressure. I just accidentally added 10 more shares when I thought I had the singles on for buying the singles. Just hope that it works out in my favor here and I get cashed out of my 10 contracts, which I accidentally threw on here. And we get back up to here. Things are getting volatile here. The bulls are not pushing it higher. Come on. Let's get a reversal here off the bottom. All right, we have a kind of a breakdown happening. There we go, we're coming back up. Let's see if we can get a rally higher now. The bulls can't let this market fall any lower. It is extremely oversold. We are at 1 p.m. Usually the market does a reversal at the 1:30. Hopefully we'll get one sooner where we have a mood swing change. Still not able to exit my trade here. There we go. We need this push higher into the 43.41 area if we're going to break out to basically this pivot high. Bars really have to push here now. Let's see if we get that push. There we go. I'm gonna add 1,500 profits. Let's see how much I lose by taking a partial exit a little bit sooner here, but trying to reduce my average. Hopefully you'll pay dividends if you get back up to here. I am down to 1,432, so that's knocked off about $100 off my total. We need some buying coming in pretty quick now. The selling pressure is just way too much. Okay, this has to be it. We need to basically break this candle, do a complete reversal, and that will be a signal to the market to buy. So here we go. We're going to get a signal to buy. Traders are jumping in, moving a little bit higher. I'm down to 1378 from my 1500. I basically need to make some profits here for this trade to have been fruitful. Up to 1400. Here we go. We've got a big candle up here. The bulls are definitely in control. Let's see if they can maintain that momentum and go much higher. I am going to cash out 10 contracts right there. Leave the singles. Let's hope we can get a follow-through rally up to 43.45. And hopefully this is the breakout area where the bulls basically take it up to this level, 43.56. This is a little offering to the gods here, my one contract. Here we go. My one contract is acting as resistance right now. Let's see if the gods accept my offering and take it higher. I'm actually gonna exit the majority right there because it looks like if we get up to the 241 in profits, I will definitely be over my 1500 and had made some profits from this trade without holding on to too much risk right now. We definitely need a follow through here. The bulls have to basically bust this out. They have to bust this market up. Few ticks away from being cashed out majority of my position here. I'm not going to push my luck. I don't want to sit around in this trade for too long with the majority of my shares. So let's see if that will get me out of my trade. I'm up to $1,530. I've made an additional $30 off that trade, which is kind of pathetic, but yeah, sometimes that's the way it goes. That's the way the cookie crumbles. I've got 7 contracts on right now. I can't tell. Okay, it's finally cleared my thing, so I'm gonna add 3 more contracts there. And I think I will exit everything if we get back up here. That should basically let me end the day in $1,600 in profit. Got 11 contracts on. I'm going to try to knock these 2 off and see if I can get a runner up to there with the last 2 contracts. We are looking for a breakout from this trend line here. I keep accidentally setting my order size to 5. I actually got lucky. I clicked here and I exited here, so I made an additional profit. We're at 1557. If I can get my 100 here, that would be great. There we go. I've made $1,600 in profits today. I've still got 7 contracts on. I'm looking to exit. Resistance is at 43, 43, 77. There we go. I've increased my Total profits to 1,672 with some questionable trading, but we made it out. I've got 2 contracts on. No more adding. Let's just see where this trade takes us to. Now we basically sit back and relax. My exit will be here to end the day, or here, if we whichever direction we end up first. I am thinking and hoping that the bulls want to take it all the way up here. That is basically almost a 9 or 10 point move. The S&P is still down. S&P futures basically still down 90 points. I mean, that is pretty atrocious. Let's knock off another single here somewhere. Where are we going to do it? Maybe we'll do it just right here. There we go. We've got $1,688 in profits. Not a bad day for a down day. I took some short trades early in the day and basically sat and watched the markets, and it got into the extreme oversold area. I basically was watching the daily candles, and we were way down here, so that's where I started to come in as a buyer. I did say I wasn't gonna bottom fish, but this was a good call. I mean, we are extremely oversold. I don't think there's enough FUD in the markets to make the S&P go lower than 100 points, but you never know. But I think some calm's gonna return to the markets. We'll see what happens tomorrow. I think I'm gonna call it a day right there. I want to shut down my trading for today and just basically enjoy my profits in the rest of the day. So yeah, there we go. I took myself out. Not bad. $1,708 for the day. There you have it, traders. That is everything for today. I'm gonna call it a day and log out and shut my trading screen down. Have a nice rest of the day, and we'll catch you later. Bye for now.